Hi, welcome back. I'm Ross with Sky Management. Today we have a dishwasher that the sprayer part at the bottom of the dishwasher has come off and has fallen down and melted all onto the heating element on the bottom. Why this happens in some dishwashers, and this is a Frigidaire dishwasher that we're working on today, is this is supposed to be attached around this piece right here, and the top part expands out and it sticks up through the middle of this. And I think what happens is when this is supposed to fall back down when the cycle's over, but it can get caught if somebody has a dish over the top of it, or maybe it just rests against the side of this cage and doesn't go back down in there all the way. And then when they pull the drawer open, they knock it off the back of the thing, and then they don't realize that it's not attached. So you always need to be checked before you run your dishwasher. Make sure this is in there where it's supposed to be and not just laying on the inside here, because then when you turn it on, it'll end up melting this up against that heating element. So to replace this, we had to order a new one. And this is the new piece for Frigidaire. We will link these down below. I'll put a link down where you can order these on Amazon. I'll try to put a link for this one from Frigidaire, and then if we can find ones for like a GE, we'll put it down there too. They're easy to install. You just need to make sure you have the right one that looks like your old one. And in this case, it clips on, so there's a little clip on the back of all these little prongs. So you just stick it over the top of that, shove it down on there. Should spin around like so. And that's how you install the new one. Easy to install. Just make sure that they stay down there before you run your dishwasher, that you're not knocking them off with the bottom drawer. Thanks for watching Sky Management. We'll see you back here next time.